Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S20. This is 5G variant and its color is cosmic grey color. It's a really great phone, and let's see what we find in the box. Okay, and this is a very smooth experience. Okay, first we find our phone. We find our phone on the top. Okay, let's take it aside. Okay, now we will find a little pamphlet with Samsung logo, and now it is a charging adapter with 25-watt charging adapter. It comes with. Yep, great phone. Ultra comes with 45, it comes with 25. I don't know why. And this is AKG hand free. Okay, really great. And I think so this one is cable, charging data cable. Okay, it is data cable. We use this data cable to convert our data to your newer device. So it's a great phone. Yep, nothing in the box. Let's take it aside, and I want to show you a manual guide that comes with it. Yep, as you see. Okay, and this one is SIM injector tool. Okay, this is really great. Okay, let's take this thing to the side and go for our phone. Okay, now this is our phone, which is cosmic grey color. It comes with 12GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and its chipset is 990 Exynos 7nm chipset and Mali GP77 GPU. It's a great phone, and its display is 120Hz display with super dynamic AMOLED. It's a great phone, and it's a really great phone. As you see, its data cable is a very good quality data cable, and I prefer this one S20 to the Ultra, because the Ultra is I think so a little bit expensive, but if you go for lower price, S20 is better, I think so. So I hope that you will guys like this video and subscribe my channel for latest uploading videos. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.